Number 10. Prehistoric sea creature. A bizarre deep-sea creature, which looks like a cross between a crocodile and a dolphin, has washed ashore on the banks of an Australian lake. Father Ethan Tipper snapped an image of the creature washed up off Lake Macquarie in New South Wales before posting it online to see if anyone could identify it. The image has divided social media, with some claiming it is a large hairtail, and others suggesting the snap has either been photoshopped or captured outside of Lake Macquarie. But Australian museum fish collector Mark McCrowther told he suspects it is a pike eel, native to deep waters on the east coast of Australia. This is the first time I have ever seen one of them in the flesh, he said. He said it was unclear how large the creature in the image was, but that the photography may have made it appear deceptively large. They can grow up to 1.8 meters in length, but the angle of this photo makes it difficult to determine how large it is. Number 9. Mutant sea creature. An alien fish caught on a small Caribbean island has left experts baffled as they struggle to determine its species. The creature reportedly has feet which allow it to walk across the seabed, a perfect human nose, and scales like a fish. The sea creature was caught in the port of Windward on the tiny island of Caracau, a few miles from Grenada. Mr. McLawrence, who has more than 50 years' experience in the fishing industry, said, "By the look of the creature, it cannot swim, but apparently walks on the seabed. The fish is believed to be a frogfish, an ambush predator that can eat almost anything that will fit into their large mouths. This includes other fish, as well as crabs and shrimp." Number 8. Strange, bug-eyed beast. A bizarre deep-sea creature with bug eyes and dozens of needle-like teeth has been pulled ashore, the second sea monster to appear in Australian waters in less than a week. The outlandish creature was caught off the Victoria State coast by a fishing trawler, the Southeast Trawl Fishing Industry Association said. Experts said the animal might be an Endo's goosefish. Lophiidos endoi, also known by some people as monkfish, is a deep-water member of the anglerfish family. Growing to 38 centimeters, this species can be found around the southeastern and western margins of Australia's continental shelf, in waters ranging from 275 to 500 meters deep. Anglerfishes possess some of the most impressive teeth and ensure that once prey enters their mouths, there is no chance of escape. Number 7. Mysterious snake species. Australian scientists hailed the discovery of 2 sea snake species feared to have become extinct years ago off the Western Australia coast. James Cook University researchers said that the short-nosed sea snake and the leaf-scaled sea snake had not been seen since disappearing from their only known habitat on Ashmore Reef in the Timor Sea more than 15 years ago. But they have since been spotted alive and healthy at Ningaloo Reef, thousands of kilometers south. What is even more exciting is that they were courting, suggesting that they are members of a breeding population. Number 6. The world's rarest spider. Little did you know, there exists a spider which is even rarer than Kanye West's smile. This little guy has a creepy appearance and a name to match: a horrid groundweaver. They were recorded in limestone quarries in Plymouth, UK in 1989 and 1995, and even prevented a development at Radford Quarry from going ahead, as it was feared that further disturbance could cause the species to become extinct. The new site has been discovered after more than £10,000 was raised through a crowdfunding appeal to support new surveys for the species across Plymouth and South Devon. Number 5. Bizarre fish with legs. Nobody seems quite sure what this weird fish is after it stunned fishermen who caught the creature in Thailand. One of the most popular guesses is that it is a type of river-faring batfish, a species that is usually found in warm and temperate seas. In the video, fishermen can be seen dangling the creature on the end of a line after they had caught it with a rod from a bridge over a river. They do not appear to have any clue about what they have found. A big clue that it might be a batfish is that the animal looks like it has legs and a long tail. Batfish are known as a species that appears to walk on its limbs, using pelvic fins as hands to creep along the seabed. Number 4. Bizarre shark. A tourist has had the shock of his life after finding a terrifying deep-sea creature with bulging eyes washed up on a New Zealand beach. Martin Stelik, from the Czech Republic, was strolling down Ruakaka Beach with his uncle, George Plesky, when he found the enormous big-eye thresher shark and quickly used the opportunity to snap rare photos of him holding the creature's unusually long tail. It was just so strange, and we'd never seen anything like it before. With its long tail and its big black eyes, it was very unusual, Mr. Plesky said. According to Department of Conservation shark expert Clinton Duffy, thresher sharks hunt offshore and are rarely seen close to beaches. Their long tail is used to stun their prey underwater, and due to their small teeth and mouths, are considered mostly harmless to humans. Number 3. Mysterious ghost fish. The deepest parts of the ocean are so different to the surface that they are home to a host of unusual and mysterious creatures. One of these alien-like creatures has come to light recently in a video filmed by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. A ghost fish has been caught on camera, marking the first time a fish in the Aphionidae family has been seen alive. The video of the fish was captured during an expedition on NOAA ship Okinos Explorer to explore the unknown and poorly known areas of deep waters of the Mariana Trench at a depth of around 8,200 feet. According to the experts, this is the first time that a fish in the family Aphionidae has ever been seen alive. Number 2. Mysterious sea creature. A monstrous-looking sea creature that experts are unable to identify has washed up on a tourist beach in Mexico. The strange 13-foot-long beast was found by beachgoers on Bonfil Beach in the city of Acapulco in the southwest Mexican state of Guerrero. The floating body was brought to shore by strong currents that have been affecting that particular part of the Mexican coast. Although the coordinator of the Civil Guard and Fire Brigade, Rosa Camacho, believes the animal had not been dead for a long time, it still seemed to have rapidly started to decay. We have no idea what type of animal this is, but I do know that it does not smell bad or have a fetid aroma, Camacho stated. It is 4 meters long, and it was found on Bonfil Beach. Number 1. Winged humanoid. The tiny oddity boasts what appears to be a humanoid body along with a set of wings, causing some to suggest that it could be a fairy or an alien. Brian Forster says that he spotted the bizarre creature floating in a specimen jar at an office in Mexico back in January. Since then, it has allegedly been subjected to an X-ray analysis, which showed that it contained a skeleton. They conclude that the oddity could not be a hoax, because the X-ray scan would have revealed if it were a doll or some other fabrication. In light of the bone structure found inside the creature, researchers hope to extract and analyze DNA from it to learn more about what it might be. Nonetheless, hopefully future tests on the mysterious discovery will show whether it has a terrestrial or alien origin. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch my next video.